When it comes to carving wood, having the right Dremel bits can make all the difference between a frustrating experience and a truly creative one. With so many options available, choosing the best bits depends on the type of carving you plan to do, the level of detail you want to achieve, and the hardness of the wood you're working with. Let's explore some of the most popular and effective Dremel bits for wood carving and how each one can help you bring your woodworking projects to life. First, let's talk about high-speed cutters. These bits are a favorite among wood carvers for their ability to remove material quickly and efficiently. Made from high-speed steel, they are ideal for rough shaping, hollowing out areas, and general carving. Their sharp edges bite into wood, allowing you to carve out broad shapes or quickly remove unwanted sections. The 191 and 192 bits, for example, come in various shapes and sizes, making them versatile for different tasks, from carving grooves to creating rounded indentations. Next, we have the ever-popular carbide burrs. These bits are made from extremely hard tungsten carbide, which allows them to stay sharp longer and tackle even harder woods like oak or maple. Carbide burrs are perfect for more detailed work or for refining your initial rough shapes. They come in a variety of profiles, such as ball, cylinder, flame, and cone, each suited for different carving techniques. For instance, the ball-shaped burr is excellent for sculpting concave surfaces or adding rounded details, while the tapered or pointed burrs are great for reaching tight spaces or creating intricate lines. If you're aiming for fine details and precision, engraving bits are essential. These bits have very fine, pointed tips, which allow you to etch delicate patterns, lines, and textures into your woodwork. The 107 and 105 bits are particularly popular for adding intricate designs, lettering, or ornate borders. They're best used at lower speeds and with a gentle touch, especially on softer woods, to avoid burning or splintering the material. Another invaluable category is sanding drums and bands. While not technically for carving, these bits are crucial for smoothing out your carved surfaces, refining edges, and blending different areas together. Available in various grits, sanding drums can help you achieve a flawless finish after your main carving work is done. They also allow you to gently shape contours and round off sharp edges, giving your project a professional, polished look. For those looking to add texture or simulate natural wood grain, Dremel's structured tooth carbide cutters are a powerful choice. These bits are designed with a unique tooth pattern that creates a rough, textured finish, mimicking the look of bark, scales, or other organic surfaces. They're especially useful for artists who want to bring lifelike qualities to their wood sculptures or relief carvings. Diamond bits are sometimes used for wood, especially when working on very hard or resinous species, but they generally excel on even harder materials like glass or stone. However, for extremely detailed and delicate work, especially on small or dense wooden pieces, diamond bits can provide a level of finesse that other bits can't match. Ultimately, the best Dremel bits for carving wood are those that suit your project's needs and your style as an artist. For most beginners and hobbyists, a basic set including high-speed cutters, a few carbide burrs in different shapes, and some sanding drums will cover the essentials. As you grow more comfortable and your skills advance, experimenting with specialty bits like structured tooth cutters or engraving bits can open up new creative possibilities. Remember, always use the correct speed setting for each bit and type of wood, and let the bit do the work. Applying too much pressure can damage both your tool and your project. With the right bits and a little practice, your Dremel can become an indispensable companion in your wood carving journey.